Today we're going to read Bird at School. So let's follow along. Bird at School. Here is his backpack. Here is his hat. Here is his bus. Here is his school. Here is his desk. Here is his teacher. Here is his pencil. Here is his paper. Here is his book. Here is his computer. Here is his lunch. Ew, worms, gross. All right, backpack, hat, bus, school, desk, teacher. Pencil, paper, book, computer, lunch. And here are our power words. Here, is, and his. Okay, I want you to take a couple of your books from your Ziploc bag and I want you to read them and then you can play your game.